What's up, guys? It's me, none other than Jamie a Geek. So here are the top 5 LG G5Ks. LG G5K, LG G5 is one of my favorite phone of all time. So the number one fifth case is from Distronic, a simple, beautiful, classy, style black case. And number four is a Spigen rugged armor case. Pigeon really do not need any kind of introduction in the case world. And number three is from Suitcase. Suitcase builds some really very well beautiful industrial style rugged case with full screen protection. And number two is from Lifeboy. I mean, who doesn't like, life proof? I'm sorry, not life boy, life proof. Number two is from life proof. Who doesn't like life proof company? They build some really well good shell for the case, which not only protect your phone, also it protect your earbud, which mean that the case is waterproof. And number one, are you serious? Okay, number one is for the compute case. I'm sorry. I'm extremely sorry. Not this one. Yeah, number one is from Otterbox. Otterbox commuter series case for the LG G5. I really love this case a lot. It is one of the rugged case and do not look that big. And again, it was me. All of the links are in the description box below. Support me on Amazon, subscribe, and bye.